this is Anything Fun channel, and this is another show about not really unboxing, but maybe unwrapping, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you are?
Emma.
Emma. And I'm his dad. Her dad. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna unwrap a toy, and this is one of your classic toys. So here it is. What is our toy for today?
A jump rope.
Exactly. So you know, you got to go back to the old school, and a jump rope is good. They're good for kids because it gives them energy and exercise. Is that right? But yeah, sometimes you just have to go outdoors and enjoy the sun, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this jump rope, let me see. This is from Stats Play, and this is specifically made for little kids because it's only 7 feet, and it says here 3-year-old. So Emma is actually 4, no, 5. I'm sorry, not 5. Boy, she grows up so fast. But anyway, yeah, this is a show about jump rope, right?
Yep.
Where did you learn how to do jump rope?
From my friend named Naivo at school.
I see. So they would have fun during recess, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, come check it out. This is Emma's unwrapping of the jump rope.
Yeah. Jump rope, and this is how you like jump.
Wait, how do you hold it first?
So you hold it up to
Oh,
your
let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Okay, that means you gotta hold it firmly on your hand, right?
Yes.
And then why? How come you're putting it behind you?
Cause so you can jump easily.
Okay, and then what?
And then you do this.
Big swing, huh?
Yep. You have to do as high as you can, not like this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's not like this.
So what do you need to do with your feet?
Jump as like this.
Mm-hmm.
And you can do it like this.
I see. So how many jumps can you do?
Probably 3 or 4.
3 or 4? Okay. So someday you're gonna be better. Maybe 5 to 10, right?
Yeah.
I see. So it takes a lot of practice, huh?
Yep.
I see. Okay. Now, why is the jump rope good for exercise? Why?
Cause
Gets you strong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. In a way, it's a form of exercise, and it's always good to come outdoors. Like today, it's a sunny day, even though we just had a blizzard.
Yeah.
But it's a nice sunny day, right?
Yeah.
So why not come out and do some jump ropes?
Yeah. Even if the groundhog just sees its shadow, and you can just like if it's sunny, you can go outside and just jump rope wherever you want.
I see. You even were able to sneak in the Groundhog Day there, huh? Okay, so anyway, yeah, this is the classic jump rope, and everybody, any age can do it. Well, except for like really, really old people like grandma and grandpa, right?
Yeah.
Because you don't want them to do jump rope.